Next one, Bernoulli's equation. Next one, Bernoulli's equation. So when we say that this is a non-linear equation, we have to convert into linear equation. Okay, so this is a non-linear equation. We need to convert it to linear equation. So linear equation means just previously what we saw, same pattern. So right in that one, the equation dy by dx plus py is equal to qy power n. Dy by dx plus py is equal to qy power n. If it is in the form of this one, then simply we'll say that that is a Bernoulli's equation. So where pq are functions of x, pq are functions of x is reducible to linear equation or Leibniz's linear equation is reducible to linear equation and is usually called the Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation. Bernoulli's equation. Okay. So whenever the given equation is in the form of like this, dy by dx plus py is equal to qy power n, or same pattern like as dx by dy plus px is equal q x power n in the way also. Okay, either this form or this form. In that case, where p and q are functions of x, it is nothing but p of x, q of x. And if you are taking this one, p of y and q of y. Okay, so if you are taking this one, p of y, q of y, and if you take this one, p of x and q of x. So it is in the form of this one, then we need to convert into linear differential equation. That is nothing but dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So we need to reduce into that form by taking the substitution method, by using substitution method. How it is? Suppose I am taking as this is nothing but equation 1. Okay. Suppose I am taking this is nothing but equation 1. Here it is. We can use that one. So put y power n is equal to, first divide the equation 1 with y power n. So divide the given equation with y power n.
ఒక రోజు మాట్లాడతారు మొన్న ఏదో అంటారు గెట్ టుగెదర్ అంటారు రీసెంట్ గానే
So how to convert? First we need to divide the entire equation with y power n. So then what we'll get? 1 by y power n dy by dx plus p into y by y power n is equal q into y power n by y power n is nothing but 1. And then what we'll get? Y by y power n is nothing but, simply we can write y power minus n dy by dx plus p into, so this one we can write it as 1 by, here it is 1m. When it comes to this numerator, it changes to 1 minus n is equal q. And then we have to choose the assumption as put y power 1 minus n is equal t or z. Okay, put y power 1 minus n is equal to z. Then you can differentiating on both sides, differentiating on both sides. Then what will get the derivative for this? 1 minus n into y power minus n dy by dx is equal to dz by dx. So this one will get after applying differentiation. Now you can substitute this one here. After substituting, what will get? Here it is, we have y power minus n dy by dx. So in place of this one, what we can substitute? 1 by 1 minus n into dy by dz by dx plus p into y power 1 minus n is nothing but z is equal q. So this is a linear equation or Leibniz's equation, and you need to find the solution as usual previous method, but there it is in terms of y and here it is in terms of z. Okay, so you need to convert into non-linear into linear. Okay, so let us see the problems on this one. First one, solve. First problem, here it is, solve first one number, x into dy by dx, x into dy by dx plus y is equal x cube y power 6, x cube y power 6, x into dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube y power 6. Is this directly in the form of Bernoulli's equation? No. So for converting into that form, first what we need to do, that we need to divide x with the given differential equation. So write down the solution. The given differential equation is x into dy by dx plus y is equal to x cube y power 6. And now divide the above equation or equation 1, divide equation 1 with x. Divide equation 1 with x. Then what will get? Dy by dx plus y by x is equal simply x cube y power 6 by x. Here it is 1x cancel. So again, then what we have remaining? Dy by dx plus 1 by x into y is equal, or y by x is equal x square y power 6. X square y power 6. Let it be taken as 2. Now is this directly in the form of the Bernoulli's equation or not? See here, dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal q of x into y power n. So equation 2 is a Bernoulli's equation. 2 is a Bernoulli's equation. Equation 2 is a Bernoulli's equation. It means this is a non-linear equation. Okay, we are converting into linear. So Bernoulli's equation. So now we need to follow the procedure. So here it is. What is the form? What is p of x and q of x? So equation 2 is a Bernoulli's equation and is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y is equal q of x into y power n. Is this directly in the form of this one or not? And now coming to this, now we need to convert into linear. So for converting linear, divide equation 1 with y power 6. Divide equation 1 with y power 6. If you divide that one, what will get? 1 by y power 6 into dy by dx plus 1 by x into y by y power 6 is equal to x square. So y power 6 by y power 6 is nothing but 1. And if you take this one into numerator, what will happen? Y power minus 6 dy by dx. Okay, and then here it is 1 by x into y power 1 minus 6 that is nothing but minus 5 is equal x square. So minus 5 is equal x square. Now we need to take our linear, we converting linear, we have to use the substitution. Put y power minus 5 is equal z. So differentiating on both sides. Differentiating on both sides. If you apply differentiation for this, what will get? Minus 5 into y power minus 6 dy by dx is equal dz by dx, and then y power minus 6 dy by dx is equal, so take this minus 5 into this side, then it changes to minus 1 by 5 dz by dx. Now you can substitute all these things in. If you want, you can give the name for that one as equation 3. So if you substitute in that, what will get? Y power minus 6 dy by dx is nothing but minus 1 by 5 dz by dx. Okay, and next, here it is plus 1 by x into y power minus 5 is nothing but what we chosen? Z. So which is equal x square. Okay, now for converting into linear, here it is divide or not divide, multiply, multiplying minus 5, multiplying minus 5 on both sides, minus 5 on both sides. Then what will get? Minus 5 by minus 5 is nothing but 1. So dz by dx minus 5 by x into z is equal to x square, and let it be taken as equation 4. Now is this a linear equation or not? See here, dz by dx plus p of x into z is equal q of x, and as usual procedure we need to apply now. So this is only the new procedure. What is the new procedure? First we have to see that whether the equation is Bernoulli's equation or not. If it is Bernoulli's, we have to convert into linear. So for that, we have to choose the substitution. Here it is y power minus 5 equal to z, and we converted into linear. Now we need to find the solution. For finding the solution, equation, what is the number they give? Here it is. Which number we give? Equation 4. So equation 4 is a equation 4 is a linear equation. Equation 4 is a linear differential equation in terms of what? Z. Okay. So and is of the form, and is of the form, and is of the form dz by dx plus p of x into y is z is equal. Here it is q of x, where p of x is equal, where p of x is equal. Here it is what about p of x? Let us see that from equation 4. So here it is what about p of x? Minus 5 by x, and p of x is x square, right? So minus 5 by x is p of x, and p of x is x square. Now we have to find the integrating factor. So integrating factor is equal. So integrating factor is equal. So remaining procedure as usual now. Integral e power integral minus 5 by x dx. So this is equal e power. So minus 5 you can write outside. Why? Because that is a constant. Integral 1 by x dx. So this is equal to e power minus 5. 1 by x is nothing but log x. So this is equal, simply what we can write, this is in the form of m log a. So simply we can write log x power minus 5. So this is equal to integrating factor is x power minus 5. Now we have to write the general solution. The general solution is, the general solution is, so what about general solution? There it is in terms of z, no. So for that, z into integrating factor is equal integral q of x into integrating factor dx plus constant. So here it is z into integrating factor is nothing but x power minus 5 is equal integral q of x is nothing but here it is x square, and the integrating factor is x power minus 5 dx plus constant. So z into x power minus 5 is equal, here it is a power m into a power n. Simply what we'll get? 2 minus 5 is nothing but 3 plus constant. And now z into x power minus 5 is equal integral x power minus 3 is nothing but x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus constant. And then here it is, since z is equal to what we chose in the assumption, z is equal y power 6, I think, right? So z is equal to y power minus 5. So that one we have to substitute here, since z is equal to y power minus 5, and you can substitute here. So y power minus 5 x power minus 5 is equal x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus constant. So this is, and now here it is y power minus 5 x power minus 5 is equal x power minus 5 is equal 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 x square plus constant. So this is the general solution of the given Bernoulli's differential equation. So what is the procedure we applied here? First, we need to identify whether it is Bernoulli's or not. If it is a Bernoulli's, we need to convert into Leibniz's equation or Leibniz's linear equation. After converting that, we have to simplify that one. Okay, we have to simplify. For simplification, we take the substitutions. Okay, so next problem, so second problem, so solve. Here it is xy into 1 plus xy square dy by dx is equal to 1. Solve xy into 1 plus xy square divided by dx is equal 1. So this is not directly in the form of this one. So we need to convert into Bernoulli's and then we have to simplify here. So for that, xy into 1 plus xy square. So I am taking this dy by dx into this side. Then it changes to dx by dy. So dx by dy is equal. So xy into 1 plus xy square. You can multiply xy inside of the terms. If you multiply that, xy into 1 is xy, and then x square y cube is equal dx by dy. And next, take this xy into this side. If you take that one into that side, then what will get? Dx by dy minus xy is equal x square into y cube. Okay, x square into y cube. Is this in the form of the Bernoulli's equation or not? So this is a Bernoulli's equation and is of the form dx by dy here it is. Dx by dy is nothing but plus p of y into x is equal q of y into x power n. Okay, x power n. We have to divide the equation with x square, right? So divide equation with x square. If you divide that one, what will get? 1 by x square into dx by dy minus x by x square into y is equal y cube. Y cube. And then here it is, if you take this one into numerator, x power minus 2 dx by dy, and next minus x power. So here it is 1, and when it comes to numerator, minus 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1 is equal y cube. So now we can take it as equation 1. Now we need to convert into this one linear. So for that, simply what we can choose, put x power minus 1 is equal z. So differentiating on both sides, differentiating on both sides. So if you apply derivative for this, what we'll get? Minus 1 into x power minus 2 dx by dy is equal dz by dy. So here it is having x power minus 2 dx by dy is equal, simply what we can write, minus dz by dy. Substituting all these things in equation 1. So here it is, see here, x power minus 2 dx by dy I have. Okay, so x power minus 2 dx by dy. What I can substitute? Minus dz by dy. And next, here it is, minus x power minus 1 is nothing but z, right? Minus z into y is equal y cube. Okay, and then take minus as common one, then dz by dy plus yz is equal minus y cube. So let it be taken as this equation 2. So this is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Is this a linear equation or not now? See that equation 3 is a linear equation. Leibniz's linear equation. Okay, so Leibniz's linear equation. So which is of the form? So dz by dy plus P of y into z is equal to Q of y. Q of y. Now we need to write the integrating factor. So here it is integrating factor we need to write. So integrating factor is equal e power integral P of y dy. So here it is e power integral. If you compare this one, what about P of y is nothing but y. So e power y dy. So this is equal to e power integral y is nothing but simply what we can write y square by 2. So integrating factor what I got it here e power y square by 2. Now we can write the general solution. The general solution is what we'll get z into integrating factor how much we got it e power y square by 2 is equal integral q of m. So what about q of y minus y cube into e power y square by 2 e power y square by 2. 1 minute. Into here it is having dy plus constant dy plus constant. Now we need to find the integration for this. So integration here it is having. So simply what we can write z into e power y square by 2 z into e power y square by 2 is equal there it is what we wrote minus y cube e power y square by 2 okay dy plus constant. So here it is simply what we can write this is nothing but minus. So y cube is nothing but can you write like this y square into y into e power y square by 2 dy plus constant. Okay, now for simplification this is what we can do it. Put y square by 2 is equal to t. Put y square by 2 is equal t. So differentiating on both sides. Differentiating on both sides. So if you apply derivative for this, what will get 2y by 2 is equal 2y by 2 dy is equal dt. Here it is 2 both will cancel. So in place of y dy, what we can write in dt. So for that simply what we can write z into e power my y square by 2 is equal integral minus y square is nothing but what? So y square is equal 2t. So minus 2t into e power y square by 2 is nothing but t and y dy is nothing but simply what we can write dt plus constant. And now here you can write minus 2 outside integral t e power t dt plus constant. So this is equal to minus 2 into. So if already we applied previous volume t e power t minus e power t will get integration for this plus constant. Okay, so this is z e power minus y square by y square by 2. Since t is equal to what? Y square by 2 and z is equal to what? X power what we chosen z here x power minus 1. You can substitute all those things. If you substitute here x power minus 1 and this is e power y square by 2 and next here it is. In these two terms, which one is the common one? See here e power t and here also e power t. So that's why simply what we can write that is outside minus 2 into e power t square y square by 2 e power y square by 2 and then t minus 1 plus c. So of course t is nothing but here it is y square by 2 y square by 2. Now you can simplify this one. So 1 by x e power y square by 2 is equal. Take e power y square by 2 as common one. So if you take e power y square by 2 as common one, then minus 2 into y square by 2 minus 1 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. So here it is, these two cancel. And then simply what we'll get 1 by x is equal. And here also if you want you can take LCM and you can cancel with that. Then what we'll get minus of y square minus 2 plus c e power minus y square by 2. So that is simply what we can write. 1 by x is equal 2 plus 2 minus y square plus c e power y square by 2, not minus, e power y square by 2. So this is the general solution. Okay, so this is the solution of the given differential equation. So which is a non-linear one and we converted as a linear. Okay, so